Singh Channi. After the Congress leader in Maharashtra, now another Congress leader and coming in from Punjab has again spoken up on the Pulwama terror attack, raising questions, saying this is an unanswered mystery that continues. Basically, what has happened is Punjab Congress chief this time, Amrinder Singh Raja Waring, downplayed Pulwama terror attack, calling it a big mystery. This is after Channi called it a BJP stuntbazi for elections. Congress Punjab unit chief has further gone on to allege that BJP can resort to doing anything during elections. In the background, I am referring to the Indian Air Force personnel who was killed in the line of duty, 4 others injured in the Poonch terror attack this weekend. Pointing out that the attack came amid Lok Sabha elections, Charanjit Singh Channi had alleged that it's pre-planned stuntbazi being done to facilitate BJP's move.
पुलवामा ਦੀ ਅੱਜ ਵੀ ਬਹੁਤ ਵੱਡੀ ਮਿਸਟਰੀ ਹੈ, ਬਹੁਤ ਵੱਡੀ ਕਹਾਣੀ ਹੈ। ਉੱਥੋਂ ਦੇ ਗਵਰਨਰ ਕੀ ਕਹਿ ਰਹੇ ਨੇ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਦੇਖਿਆ ਨਾ ਪੁਲਵਾਮਾ ਦੀ, ਸੋ ਪਤਾ ਨਹੀਂ ਕਿਸ ਮਾਮਲੇ 'ਚ ਕੀ ਕਹਾਣੀ ਨਿਕਲ ਸਕਦੀ ਹੈ। ਔਰ ਬੀਜੇਪੀ, ਮੈਂ ਪੁੰਛ ਦੀ ਗੱਲ ਨਹੀਂ ਕਰ ਰਿਹਾ, ਬੀਜੇਪੀ ਚੁਣਾਵ ਦੇ ਦਰਮਿਆਨ ਕੁਝ ਵੀ ਕਰ ਸਕਦੀ ਹੈ।
Listen in now to what former Punjab Chief Minister Charanjit Singh Channi had said, referring to Pulwama attack as a BJP stuntbazi.
ऐसा है कि ये स्टंटबाजी हो रही है, हमले नहीं हो रहे। पिछली बार भी जब इलेक्शन आते हैं तो ऐसे स्टंट खेले जाते हैं और बीजेपी को जिताने का संविधान तैयार किया जाता है। ये तैयार किए हुए सारे पहले से तैयार करके हमले करवाए जाते हैं। ये बीजेपी को जिताने का एक स्टंट होता है, इसमें सच्चाई नहीं होती। लोग मरवाने और लोगों के लाशों पे खेलना ये बीजेपी को आता है। मैंने एक बयान ये दिया है कि पिछले इलेक्शन में जब पार्लियामेंट के इलेक्शन थे, हमारे 40 जवान शहीद हो गए और उन पे अटैक हुआ। आज तक सरकार ने ये पता नहीं किया कि वो अटैक किसने किया, कौन लोग उसके जिम्मेवार हैं। अब फिर इलेक्शन आया है, फिर हमारे जवानों पे अटैक हुआ, फिर जवान शहीद हुआ। ये पॉलिटिकली इसको स्टंट बनाकर क्यों बीजेपी यूज करती है और क्यों बार बार हमारे शहीद हो रहे हैं, क्यों नहीं? सरकार का इंटेलिजेंस फेलियर क्यों है?
So can one really call it just a random, isolated comment if not one but 2 leaders and senior visible leaders of the Punjab Congress are making such a comment? It's a border state, remember, a state that has suffered from terrorism and continues to face tensions often. Aman Bhardwaj joins me now from the ground. Aman, is this precisely becoming a huge political showdown on the ground in Punjab as well? Because BJP has jumped on this. In the rallies, the Bharatiya Janata Party is alleging, see how the Congress wants to give a clean chit to Pakistan. What is happening on the ground? Are these leaders taking back their comments or more defiant?
What Raja Waring has recently said is just a cover-up to the ex-Chief Minister Charanjit Singh Channi. And in Punjab, Congress want attention, and by giving such a statement, it's just a Congress getting attention, whether it's Raja Waring or Charanjit Singh Channi. Because in 2022, Charanjit Channi himself faced a PM's security breach when he was running a government for 100 days, government when he was running. So he faced him PM security breach when the inquiry was set up and the investigation was done. So after that also, when the Pulwama happened, none of these leaders gave any statements of Pulwama. And now also, Rahul Gandhi, their senior and the most centered leader, gave another statement. But in Punjab, Congress leaders, whether it's Channi or Raja Waring, want a different sort of attention that these statements are being given. But BJP in Punjab are differing with these statements that, for example, Sunil Jakhar, BJP's Punjab chief, referred this Charanjit Channi statement that it's been motivated by Justin Trudeau, who's Prime Minister for Canada, because Channi spent 7 months in Canada and he done their thesis on Congress by Congress is falling down. So these are the statements that in Punjab and BJP.
Aman, keep tracking the latest on that, because the fact is that at this time a terror incident being questioned in such a manner despite charge sheets, case that have happened in that, and this comes in the backdrop of the Maharashtra Congress leader also who made a comment on 26/11.